What's going on, everybody? Slang Dutchman here, and today we're on Midland Circuit and I got talked into a competition. Conrad is here as well, my girlfriend is here, and I bought that. Let's just start with the first problem that I had. I bought these Insignia wheels. I wound the center out so they would fit, but the tire is too big and it doesn't fit. It's hitting my skirt. So my neighbor, take his Instagram here, he was kind enough to lend me a pair of wheels so I can get through the day, or at least like the practice and the warm-up, and then as soon as competition I can run the good tires and not destroy them, so because I need to drive home on them. So there's a layout. I'm gonna show you guys the layout right here, and as you can see, it's for the people that notice, it's the last layout, the same layout as we did last time, but in reverse. So we're just gonna do practice, warm up, and then into qualification. After that's competition and just some free driving after that. So just gonna see how it goes. I'm very hyped and I'm very nervous. And then this motherfucker says, I expect great things from you.
You're supposed to be first, otherwise we are not friends anymore.
First? Bro, it's only a 2-liter. It looks like one of the most serious competition cars because nobody else really has a livery. Maybe some stickers, but not in this style. But the driver is an amateur. What we're gonna see. We're gonna have fun anyway. Yep, right. First ever tandems, or at least proper 1v1 on the track. These board tires have so much grip, so the front wheels feel a little bit, how you say that, sketchy.
Weet je wat we roken?
Nou?
De hele sol is aan het smelten van mijn schoen.
Is your shoe sole melting? Oh really? That's how hot the body gets.
That was smelling so. It was not a carbohydrate for.
I think it was before we turned on the camera. We were like, we smell something. It's a little bit funky, but turns out it was your shoe. Focus, outside lines, clipping points. Maybe this is what was wrong. Didn't get in the mood because of the gloves. get the hang of the car, but now I need a little bit of getting into the zones in the line more. Last half section was the right line. Nice outside line, close to the wall. That's what I want, but temperature. That entry was fucking close.
I had the full tank, man.
That's my punishment for leaving my window open.
That's punishment for that corner. He was too excited. They wanted to cool you down a little.
Did you pucker it up? If you initiate and you do it on the handbrake, you're just sliding sideways. You need to go on throttle. If you're too late on throttle, you're just gonna go into the wall. Because throttle pulls you away from it.
That's the most exciting. That corner is the most exciting.
Oh, yeah, but I had those moments with the wall like a few times now. I come a little bit closer and oh fuck.
Closer and closer, eh? Which corner?
pilot entry how much wider we were going.
To be honest, I'm fucked up.
This is costing me years of my life. Because I see that wall coming, it's like, is this it? No! No!
Not today.
Look where you want to go, not where you don't want to end up. Fucking hell.
My whole face is dirty.
No! Woo! Woo! Fuck yeah! Ah!
That was fucking close!
Ah! Oh God! Ah! Ah!
One more time!
I need a fucking breather. I need to throw. I'm too scared to like spin in that corner and fuck it up. But I need to throw more angle so I dive inwards instead of what I was doing now.
Yeah, but
oh, someone right behind us. I'll survive that.
whoa, trust the keys, man. I feel it, man. I feel it.
Oh man.
Oh. I feel warm, man.
Something feels wrong. My steering feels wrong. It feels like my pump is pushing. You hear that?
Yeah, for sure. I've got a liquid in my car.
I got liquid as well, but I hope I don't bend the tie rod or something, because then I'm fucked. Let's just damage.
Oh my god.
I don't want to look at your face.
Oh, you'll be happy, man.
What?
Like a dancing penguin. You'll be happy.
Will I be happy?
Where? Just tell me where.
Well, here.
Yeah, but it's not so visible. Comparing with the previous guy.
Oh yeah, I'm okay with this. If this is the only damage, I mean, I brushed
Yeah, just the keys, really
the
keys.
vinyl without taking the vinyl off. I mean, this is drift damage, right? We love this. But how are my wheels? Somewhat straight. Somewhat straight. That's a little toe out, right? And this is a little in. So that might be correct. Because on my wheel, fuck. This should be straight.
Yeah, it looks like that one goes out a little.
Yeah, right?
You're standing in the front of the car.
Nah. I'll be good. Alright. Well, I think it's time for competition, for qualifying, so I'm gonna leave it with that. Just let the car idle and cool down. Top off some power steering fluid, because for some reason that started to whine and do weird stuff, so I'm happy. Yeah, could have been worse compared to my tap. Could have ended up like this. And just as they repaired the car and were ready to send it out back on track, that was the crooked one. He got the car ready for qualification and then he smacked it into the wall again. So props for not giving up and to fix the car. It was a good experience to see, but unfortunately lightning does strike twice. These are all the parts that came from the car, like the bumper, bonnet, fenders, lower control arm. That's fucked. So as I was editing this video, I had so much good content and I'm not gonna make it into a 40-minute video, so I decided to split it in two. This is all the warm-ups, the fuck-ups, everything basically that you've seen by at this point. Next video will be the qualifying and the battles, which I thought were pretty excited. Please look forward to that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, because I'm nearing the 1500 subscriber mark. If I do, I have my car as a digital online mod in Assetto Corsa, which you can download and you can drive my car in like simulator, same as basically what I'm sitting in right now. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate all the comments, the views, the love, the support that I'm getting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.